Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making a fun and tasty corn ribs recipe. These grilled or air-fried corn strips are seasoned to perfection, giving you a flavorful twist on a classic summer favorite. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 ears of corn, husked, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish, optional. Directions: preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, or your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Carefully cut each ear of corn into quarters lengthwise to create rib-like pieces. In a bowl, mix the olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Brush the seasoning mixture onto the corn ribs, making sure they are evenly coated. Place the corn ribs in the air fryer basket or on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Air fry for 10 to 12 minutes or bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the corn is golden brown and crispy. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley and serve warm. Prep time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 12 to 25 minutes. Total time: 35 minutes. Calories: 150 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 4 servings. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.